Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you how to do screen recording in Windows 10. Okay, so for example, you open a video in YouTube and you want to capture this video, you want to record, you can simply record this one without installing any software. To do screen recording, you just simply play the video and then hold down the window key, press Alt and then press letter R. Okay, this time it is now screen recording. Do screen recording. Okay, so 8 seconds. So for example, you want to stop recording, you can simply click the stop recording and then you can press window key plus G or window key G. Okay, so hold down the window key and then press letter G on the keyboard. Okay, this time you can see your captures here. You click this one to see my captures. This is your capture and you can play this screen recorded with this one and then click continue. Okay, so you have already the recorded video, which is that's all how to screen record your screen without installing any software. Thank you so much for watching.
A circle for a hole in your